In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of how to order samples from suppliers on Alibaba. So let's go to Alibaba, and the first thing that we want to do is find a supplier for the product that we want to create, that we want to source. And in this example, let's say we want to source a yoga mat. So I can search this product and go based off of the pricing or the look of these listings, the products itself. Or what I also like to do is, if you really need customization, scroll all the way to the bottom under Source on Alibaba and click Request for Quotation, or RFQ. This allows you to put out a request for quotes for a specific product that you want created. Then just click Get Quotes Now and fill out the information, put in the quantity that you want to order, put in some detailed information about the product that you want to source, and click Invite Suppliers to Quote. You're going to get anywhere from 10 to 15 suppliers contacting you and giving you quotes for the product. And then you're going to go over here into your Alibaba messages, and based off of those quotes, maybe select 2 or 3 suppliers that you really want to work with and order samples from there. Now, samples are a critical aspect to the sourcing process because you need to make sure that you are actually getting a quality product, that the product is good, it's not going to break, and you need to really test out the product before spending 10, 15, 20 grand on an order in bulk, right? So it's critical to the entire process. Now, some things to keep in mind with samples is they are not free. They're typically anywhere from $50 to $150, depending on the product itself, the size, the weight. All right, they're going to create this product and send it to you, but you still need to pay for that. Now, one thing to keep in mind when ordering these samples, if let's say you have to pay $150, ask if you go ahead and get the sample, you like it, you want to work with them, ask if they will deduct that sample price, that $150 from your final, your first bulk order, okay? Now, you might be wondering, how do I pay for these samples? Well, there's a number of different ways, and most suppliers, they either accept credit card, they will allow you to pay right on Alibaba, they will accept PayPal, and that is really the first step of it. And then the bulk orders, they typically want bank wire transfers, okay? Also keep in mind that samples, they take anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks just for shipping, right? They have to create the product and then ship it to you. So it can take a little bit to actually get the product, the sample in your hands. And then from there, you can judge them, their business, the product, and see if you want to move forward with them. But I definitely recommend getting 2 or 3 different samples from different suppliers to really see which is the best and then go with them. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope it was clarified some things, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.